Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning, dear students. In this section, we are going to learn about the story of a stomach with a window. Children, in this poem, you will read about a soldier called Martin. In 1982, he was 18 years old and was very healthy. When he was shot, he got seriously hurt. At the time, Dr. Beaumont was called to treat him. Dr. Beaumont cleaned the wound and put the dressing. After 1.5 years, the doctor found that Martin's wound has healed except from one thing. He had a big hole in his stomach. The hole was covered with a loose flap of skin, like the washer in the football. Press the skin and you peep into Martin's stomach. Not only that, the doctor could also take out the food from the stomach by putting a tube in the hole. Dr. Beaumont felt he had found a treasure. Can you guess how much time he spent on doing different experiments on his stomach? Yes, 9 years. During this time, Martin grew up and got married. At the time, scientists did not know how food was digested. How does the liquid digestive juices in the stomach helps? Does it only help in making the food wet and soft, or does it also helps in digestion? All these questions were arised in his mind. Dr. Beaumont took some liquid juices out of the stomach. He wanted to see what would happen to a food item kept in a glass filled with it. Would it get digested on its own? For this, he did an experiment. With the help of a tube, he took out some digestive juices from the stomach. At 8:30 a.m., he put 20 tiny pieces of boiled fish in 10 ml of the juices. He kept the glass at the same temperature as our stomach, about 30 degrees centigrade. When he checked at 2 p.m., he found that the pieces of a fish has dissolved. Dr. Beaumont tried his experiment with different food items. He gave Martins the same food at the same time and then compared how long it took for the food to be digested in the glass and in Martin's stomach. He recorded these observations in the table. So, what does our stomach do? Dr. Beaumont did many experiments and found out many secrets about our digestion. He found that food digests fast in the stomach as than outside. Did you notice this in the table? Yes, our stomach crunches the food to digest it. The doctor also saw that the food did not digest properly when Martin was sad. He also found that the digestive juices in our stomach is acidic. Children, you have heard of anyone talking about acidity, especially when that person has not eaten well or the food is not digested properly. He or she may suffer with acidity problem. Dr. Beaumont experiments become famous across the world. After this, many scientists did many such experiments. What did you say? Now, they did not shoot the people in the stomach or they want or a patient with a hole in the stomach. They used other specific ways to look inside our bodies. Children, did you like the story of Martin, or should we say the story of our own stomach? Yes, thank you. This is the story of Beaumont Martins who did experiments on our stomach and the digestive system. Thank you.